Hello, this is Vince from Sniper Day Trading, and this is the pre-market here for December 29th. The trading day starts around here, 6:30. After, well, we've seen a push higher in the pre-market up to around 11:29 or so. Then we started backing off in here. Bond market had just opened up in this time range here, and then we're pulling back into the middle of this range and then extending down a little further. We do get a little add-on signal in here. This is in scalp mode, so the majority of these trades are really for 2, 3, or 4 ticks. If I'm trading in a different screen, this particular signal, say here, would keep me in this trade probably all the way till in this area here. But in scalp mode, we're designed to take 2, 3, or 4 ticks by definition, and on occasion I can stay in the trade for a little longer if I'm even splitting that trade up for a longer portion of the move. Something like this type of a move here is great. I love to see those. If I leave the trade open, it allows you to stay in the trade for a second portion of your contracts and capture bigger point returns. But by definition, scalp mode is just taking small trades with a trend, counter trend. Usually the counter trend trades are for 2 or 3 ticks. The trades that are with the trend typically are for a point, 5 ticks, 6 ticks, something to that nature. But I usually just keep it by definition saying that in scalp mode I'm trading for 2, 3, or 4 ticks. Here we do get some chop action. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 ticks short. It's 4 ticks long. Another 3 ticks long. 3 or 4 ticks short right in here. So in this type of action, you can see there's several hours had passed from 9 to 12. There's 3 hours of trading in here. I mean, you have to have the patience of a saint to be able to weather the trading action through all of this slow period. I particularly cannot do that or choose not to do it. Just something that yeah, it's just best to step aside and wait for the real price action to come back with the institutional traders participating. That way you're not fighting the tape and you're not working against yourself, which often times can happen if in fact you don't see what you're looking for quick enough. These type of moves here, I'm used to seeing this in a minute or less. You know, a move down, wait 2, 3 minutes, a move up, wait 2, 3 minutes, a move this way. So I mean, this is like you're talking hours versus minutes. So it doesn't pay for me to trade. But just looking at the the price action, that's what still the moves are the same, but it's just here it's taking a lot longer. I did see this price target here of 11.25 back down here when we were much lower levels, and in fact we came to the tick and we did actually reverse, so closed much lower going into the close after that with this short signal here. But those are the trades, and maybe I'll take a look at something else here in a moment. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Just wanted to point out a couple of trades. There was 4 trades yesterday in a different time frame. This is my middle time frame that I use. Right after the open yesterday, we had a move short. It was a small counter trend trade that produced very little, 1, 2, 3 ticks, and struggled in here. So this would either be a flat trade or maybe minus a tick or 2. Next trade was short. Around 11 o'clock, and then the next trade was long going into the close. So 4 trades yesterday. Yeah, you could have, I guess in scalp mode you could have found a trade in here in a very short time frame for a few ticks, but nonetheless in this time frame yesterday there were really only 4 trades. Then that took us into the night trading in here where we were up here short just after the open. And these trades right here, these signals are all clearly defined by my method, and it's really no gray area at all in it, just as a matter of if you're going to take the trade or not. But after the open, the first trade was short, next trade was long, counter trend back again